And everybody who's watching, so I will never buy another single family home again.
Yeah.
I'll never buy another single family just for the fact where I don't want to take it to scale.
Yeah.
Right, bro?
It's hard.
You took it to scale and you actually bought enough.
Yeah.
But you didn't take a check for what, 3 years, 4 years?
Yeah, dude. I didn't, beyond just paying down some miscellaneous debts, I never paid myself, like never took $1 out of the company in the form of a salary, or never took any money out of my rental properties for almost 4 years. And if you scroll down my like on my Instagram page, you'll see a post where I posted the very first check that we paid ourselves, dude. And that was the very first time where I sat down with my bookkeeper, and she was like, well, there's money left over every month. If you want to start taking some of this money, you don't have to just leave it all in there. And that was a thing that I think I was actually holding myself back, dude, by not treating my business as a business, right? Like a business should be able to pay the owner, right? And I think like I wore it as a badge of honor at the beginning, like I'm just going to reinvest every single dollar like back into the company. And I think there's a time and place for that, right? And I think I probably let that go on a little bit too long because I needed to prove to myself that I had created something that was sustainable, that I could afford to pay myself every single month. And then that happened. And then I found another gear. I found another gear, like mentally, financially, because I was like, all right, this is real, right? It's not just Jason got lucky a bunch of times, like finding deals. Like I've actually created a sustainable business that can pay me. You know what I mean? And that was you have these kind of milestones that you can look back and remember over the course of your journey. And that was definitely one of them for sure.
For me, like building something and then being able to take the cash flow every month. Give me all the, like I can be as risky as I want. Right. To where, okay, this business may not do as well. Like we may not make as much flips at this month, but I have cash flow coming in no matter what I do.
Yeah.
That gave me confidence to be a lot more riskier, be a lot more aggressive in everything I do.
That, dude, like that kind of stuff charges me up more right now than like making big chunks or big rips of money on projects. Like it's fun to make a 6-figure rip, dude, like on something, right? Like that's cool. And I'm not saying that I don't enjoy that either. I do, but like figuring out, like we're kind of going through that process right now with our Airbnbs, like creating an actual income stream that you can say, when we create this income stream, build the right systems, processes, and put the right people in place where it can operate and pay me consistently and predictably every single month, month in and month out, regardless of whether I'm involved in it or not. I actually get more charged up like thinking about that than I do like, how do I flip a house and make 100 grand? You know what I mean?
Right.
And so that's really what we're focusing on. Like Airbnbs is kind of where we've landed right now. And, you know, along with some of the other bigger deals that we're doing, we're trying to get all that stuff built out. And I'm trying to get